In the heart of the Midwest, where hard work is a way of life, one name stands out above the rest. Bobcat, serving hard-working people all across Nebraska. Trusted by those who work the land. Bobcat is more than just a machine. It's a trusted partner, a testament to the Nebraskan spirit of hard work and dedication. Our experienced technicians help at every stage of the process, from the moment you walk in. From the dealership to your doorstep, you can trust that Bobcat will save you time. Bobcat works as hard as you do because we understand that when it's time to work, it's time to work. No matter the job, no matter the task. When it's a Bobcat machine, it's easy. Built for the mud, built to last. Built for those who aren't afraid to shy away from a bit of dirt. There are no days off. There are no excuses. That matters to us because at the end of the day, Bobcat saves you time when it matters, so you can spend more time where it matters.